I hope you enjoyed the story of It's a Christmas Pickle. Now, let's make a Christmas pickle ornament.
Hi everyone, welcome! So today I have my little helper Luca. We are going to be making a Christmas pickle. Yeah, you can say hi. Hi everybody! And we're going to start a new family tradition. So here are the basic things you're going to need. You'll need some kind of paper towel roll cut in half or a toilet paper roll. And you're going to need some paint. I have metallic green and regular green, paint brushes, glue.
Make sure you get some tacky glue. That works best for crafts.
I have googly eyes. You could draw your own eyes, but these are always fun to use. And some pom-poms for a nose. You're also going to need pipe cleaners for the legs and the arms, any color. And then I pre-cut out of felt some little mittens and some little shoes.
I used felt to make a hat, mittens, and shoes.
And then I also have these markers. We're going to try these out today. These are paint markers. They're called paint pens. I got these at Michael's, and we'll test this out because it might be easier to just draw the face on. You're also going to want some kind of ribbon or string because you are going to be hanging this up. This will be an ornament that you are going to place on your tree. And definitely going to need some paper towels and some kind of mat. And look at here, he has a protective paint guard on. You might not need that as well. Boys and girls at home always have parent supervision or parent help before you start any kind of arts and crafts project. And happy Christmas pickle making! So before we start, the first thing you want to do is you want to have a parent help you cut some holes. So I'm going to make a little hole in the back top for the string to make an ornament. And then I need some holes on the side for the arms. Oopsie. And then some holes down here for the legs. All right, that should do it. All right, now we're ready to paint. So you want light green or dark green?
Dark.
Dark green, okay. Hold it with one hand. And then you're gonna paint with the other hand, okay? Make sure you cover the entire surface. Okay, looks like you're done. All right, so when you're done painting, all you have to do is put it aside and let it dry. All right, so now our tube is dry and we are going to decorate it. Are you using it as a telescope? Okay, so first things first, let's put our little string on here because this is going to be an ornament. Okay. And maybe not too long, but not too short. We don't know where we're going to be hiding this Christmas pickle in the tree, so we want the string to be fairly long so we can place it on the tree wherever we want. And we are ready to decorate the face. We're going to make some eyes. So let's try first our new marker pens and see how this works. First, I'm going to make a white eye. Paint right on here. Oh, this works pretty well, actually. Look, I made two white eyes. And then you can make the black circles in the middle. There you go. Draw a black eye in the middle of the white. Oh, you're making a mouth? Okay, oh wow, that's beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Now make sure you make the eyeballs inside. Here, let's carve some eyeballs in there. Look at that, that's nice. Do you want some red for the nose? Do you want to make a round nose? Here you go. Oh, that looks really nice. Ooh, these markers are great. Oh, I love that. That looks beautiful. That's a nice. You know what? I'm going to make a tongue on the Christmas pickle. I'm going to make a tongue for him right here.
He's not good.
Yeah, he's good. That looks great. So these pens worked out really nicely. But you can always get some glue and glue on some googly eyes, or you could use the little puffy Nose. We'll decorate another one in just a moment.
A puppy.
Like a puppy? No, puffy. All right, so what color arms do you want?
I want this one.
Red? Okay. All right, so then I'm gonna put some red arms through here, through the holes that I made. So I'll put one in through here somehow. See, it's important to cut the holes before you paint because then it's easier to go through. Yeah, we're gonna go through right there, yeah. We're gonna try to get it through right there. The hard part with the pipe cleaners is that they bend as you're trying to do this. Ah, there we go, yay, look, I got it through. All right, so there are his arms. Oh, he's so funny. Look how cute he looks already. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good? All right, so let's make some legs. What color legs do you want?
I want purple.
Okay, purple. All right, let's do purple.
Because purple is my favorite color.
Okay, that sounds good. So let's put one right through here. All right, now pull it through carefully. There you go, you got it. All right, look. Oh my gosh, he's so funny. All right, so maybe his arms are a little bit long, so I might bend them. Like this. And then these could actually be the hands just like this. Or you could glue on mittens if you want.
I want mittens.
You want mittens on yours? Okay.
Little mittens are for the Christmas pickle.
The Christmas pickle, yeah.
Christmas
There.
pickle. Do you want a glove?
Do you want a glove, Christmas pickle? Yes, I do. I want a glove. Yeah. All right. So we'd have to glue this on. So let's get some glue. So we put some glue on. And there's one of his mittens. There we go. And then we can do the same thing with the feet, or you could just bend the pipe cleaners and create some feet like this, like that.
What about two gloves?
Yeah, we're gonna get another glove for his other hand. All right. And we'll put this on here like this. So he's got his little mittens. That way he's nice and warm for when he goes to the North Pole. All right, what do you think?
It looks pretty good.
It looks pretty good.
Not mine.
All right, then once he's all dry and ready, what we're gonna do is when you go to sleep tonight, I'm gonna hide the Christmas pickle in the tree, and when you wake up on Christmas morning, what do you have to do?
Find it.
Yeah, you're gonna find it. All right, let's see what happens.
Where is that pickle hiding? Where is he?
I shot him.
You did? Where is he?
He got me. I found a Christmas pickle.
Yay! Now you're gonna have good luck all year long.
I hope you had fun making your own Christmas pickle. I know we did. And remember to watch the story of the Christmas pickle. Happy holidays! Say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye!
Remember to be creative when making your Christmas pickle ornament. You can use any colors you want. You can draw your own eyes or use wiggly eyes. Just have fun.